Hey there! Saving money doesn't have to be hard. Today I'm going to share 10 smart ways to save money every month. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Create a monthly budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money goes and find areas to cut back. Number 2. Plan your meals and stick to a grocery list. Avoid impulse buying and you'll be surprised at how much you save. Number 3. Cut down on energy costs. Use energy-efficient appliances, turn off lights when not in use, and unplug devices. Number 4. Use coupons and cashback apps. Take advantage of discounts and cashback offers whenever you shop. Number 5. Skip the coffee shop and bottled water. Brew your coffee at home and carry a reusable water bottle. Number 6. Declutter and sell unused items. Turn your clutter into cash by selling things you no longer need. Number 7. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review your memberships and cancel services you rarely use. Number 8. Save on transportation. Carpool, use public transport, or bike whenever possible. Number 9. Compare prices before making big purchases. Take time to research and find the best deals. And finally, number 10. Set aside money in an emergency fund. Even small contributions add up and help you avoid unexpected expenses. By making these simple changes, you can start saving money every month. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.